Mycelium Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. If you're searching for a reliable and feature-rich crypto wallet, Mycelium might just be the one for you. Designed primarily for Bitcoin enthusiasts and serious crypto users, Mycelium offers a powerful blend of security, flexibility, and advanced functionality. This wallet is ideal for those who prioritize control over their private keys while accessing robust tools for managing their cryptocurrency holdings. One of Mycelium's standout features is its hardware wallet integration, supporting popular options like Trezor, Ledger, and KeepKey. This makes it perfect for users looking to enhance security while keeping their assets offline. It also boasts a hierarchical deterministic HD wallet structure, enabling users to generate new addresses for every transaction, significantly improving privacy. Additionally, Mycelium is open source, which enhances transparency and trust within the crypto community. Another highlight is the local trading feature, which allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin directly with others in their area. This peer-to-peer functionality ensures greater decentralization and avoids third-party risks. For mobile users, Mycelium's app is intuitive and packed with tools like address books, transaction logs, and QR code scanning, making it a great choice for on-the-go crypto management. However, Mycelium isn't for everyone. It primarily supports Bitcoin, so if you're managing a multi-crypto portfolio, you might find its limitations restrictive. Additionally, while it provides advanced options like manual fee adjustments and watch-only addresses, these features might overwhelm beginners. This wallet is clearly geared toward intermediate to advanced users who want granular control and don't mind a learning curve. In terms of security, Mycelium doesn't disappoint. Private keys are stored locally on your device, and the wallet incorporates secure PIN protection and mnemonic phrase recovery. However, it's worth noting that Mycelium lacks a built-in two-factor authentication feature, which could be a concern for some users. To sum up, Mycelium Crypto Wallet excels in security, privacy, and advanced features for Bitcoin users. It's perfect for those who value control and don't mind navigating a slightly complex interface. While it's not the best choice for multi-asset users or beginners, it's a solid pick for experienced Bitcoin holders looking for a trusted, feature-packed wallet.